Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to recover your old WhatsApp account without a SIM. This is very helpful if you lose your SIM card, changed your number, or no longer have access to it, but still want to check what WhatsApp says about account recovery. So, first of all, just open WhatsApp on your smartphone, and once WhatsApp is open, look at the top right corner of your screen and tap on the three dot icon. So after that, tap on settings. Now scroll down and tap on help and feedback. Next, tap on the help center. So once you're inside the help center, you'll see a section that says how WhatsApp can help you. You can scroll down and browse the topics, or you can tap on the search bar to find what you need faster. So in the search bar, just type how to recover your old WhatsApp account without a SIM. After that, WhatsApp will show you related help articles and guide you on what options are available based on your situation. So, this is helpful or useful because WhatsApp explains their official recovery option there, and it helps you understand what's possible even if you don't have your SIM anymore. And that's it. Those are the steps to find help for recovering your old WhatsApp account without a SIM. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more simple how-to videos like this.